about 9 o'clock, right? Yeah, 2 minutes to 9. Man, if it wasn't for the time, I had take that 161, was looking pretty juicy. And now this break of this trend here now too. It's like, damn. As we don't trade it this time, sometimes has a good trades. I just hate to trade like that. Look at that. As I told you guys. Damn. Damn, boy. Hopefully they bounce out of this. Good. And we can take out of the on the open. Dory, what are you thinking here? A possible head and shoulders, invert head and shoulders on the 30 seconds.
Yeah, I can see that. Neckline around 670.
Neckline, yes,
Or that big order.
perfect. Yep, yep. Purse.
Yeah, I could see it as a trend line break and then a retest. This guy here.
Right there. If pass the right shoulder is not going to work. I was looking. Yeah, no, 670. Yeah, that's what I was looking for. The right shoulder right now here. But
Yep.
we do have a bigger possible shoulder here as well. Did you see that? This one here.
Oh, that's actually the one I was looking at. Oh, this one. This one.
Yeah, this would be more visible probably in the 3 minutes, maybe. No.
Yeah, I can
I'll
see it.
have
I
this
can see it here.
one, and what I'm talking about was this one right
I,
here.
I liked the smaller one on the 30-second because it
Yeah, I
had the
did too.
divergence I liked.
Yeah, this
The
one,
one in
right?
3 minute. Yeah, yep. Yeah, the one in 3 minute didn't have the divergence that I like.
Okay, gotcha. And it would be yeah, it would be invert as well.
Yeah. That's a kind of weird flag behavior on the longer time frame. We've got a run up and then another run up, and that would make leg three. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I guess I could count that.
If you, I hope no, yeah. I wanna say if you took the right shoulder, but I hope nobody did because you'll be breaking the rules. So sucks, but rules are rules. I would most definitely had take that inverse right shoulder. Most definitely. Well, hopefully what happened would be going up to 930 and do the neck on the open. We do the right shoulder, the inverse right shoulder, and we can go long.
The for the bigger play.
Yeah, but we have. I'll I'll show here you guys what I'm. Do you see how it's doing this? So check this out. So we could be doing this, and then we'll come back here, come back down here, then go back down here. So this could be possible. It's the symmetrical thing to do. So we might be seeing this to the symmetrical of this side. And that's what I said would be a difficult day, as you know, as can be a lot of up and down.
Just parked a 50 lot sell order right above price. Trying to push it down.
Yep, to make the shoulder, the second shoulder. 57, 58 is growing. 56. And if you guys don't know what we're talking about, when you see this line here coming here, and look at this. Look, that's a 53 order. You see it? 54 now. Is somebody trying to? Oh, is eating it.
Nom
Ate
nom
it.
nom 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 nom.
Ate right through it. So that means that can come down for
And
a little
then it
bit
sells
and push
off.
through it. Yeah.
Hard retest of the trendline break here.
Right back at you, Donna. This gonna be the shoulder again. Greg, how you doing this morning?
Just waiting for the open. I wanted to go short when it was up there a little bit, but I missed it.
I think Doyle went short, right, on the top. I
Yeah,
think.
I went short from the top, but profit target was hit. Well, two of my profit targets were hit. I closed out of the last one. Yeah, my mindset right now is long-term long, short-term short. We'll see how this plays out in the next few minutes, though.
Yeah.
There's been a decent amount of selling happening in this shoulder here.
Yeah. Holy moly. It's getting
That
hard to get up there. It's fighting to go up right now. I noticed in the trades that we are taking too, it's taking a little longer to play out. Um, Before it was the the trades are playing out pretty quick, and now it's taking a few more minutes to play out.
Yeah, I may pivot back until the market speeds back up. I may pivot back to my time of day scalping
Yeah.
where I'm looking for, 15 to 20 points in the open, and then I'm basically looking for 7 to 10 the rest of the day.
So are we not allowed to play music anymore?
Yeah, we can play music, but cannot be the rights needs to be rights free music. Do you miss music?
Yeah, I just noticed we haven't, like for example the music from YouTube. Are we able to bring that in and
No.
play that?
Needs to be uh free rights. Yeah, I forgot the words they use, but it needs to be something that somebody don't own.
Copyright?
Copyrights. Yes, yes, yes. Thank you.
Just checked my fever. I've got a low-grade fever.
Oh no.
Just feel like crap.
Don't trade today then.
I might just give it the opening hour.
Yeah, today around 12 I'm gonna go I'm gonna stop as well since the wife and the kids are home. See how my youngest feeling. We might go eat something or do something. We can be doing the D-lag here now too, guys. I just noticed that as well. Something to keep eye on it. I guess it's not a D-lag, huh?
Maybe a delay down.
Yeah, I don't like the volume behind it.
There was a lot of volume.
Well, we were originally looking at a possible head and shoulders to form like an ABCD up,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
but average volume, even at that right shoulder, it was as low as it was at the head.
It was lower. Yeah, you're right. At 3 minutes for the open. 1 minute.
Kind of biased a little right out of the gate right now. Volume's starting to pick up. Where it goes. Take that. About to take one off. Move to SIP. Actually, I'm going to closed out all my open positions. Or my
You said you're gonna close out?
I accidentally pressed the wrong thing. All right. Pullback isn't doing the damage and volume that it should. Take it long here. Going off, SIP. A lot of volatility, man.
Lou, are you long anywhere?
Yeah, I'm long. I've already taken one off, moved my stop into profit. Just took another one. Last one is just under the high of day. Stopped my third one.
I had some technical issues here, guys.
Try
Sorry.
that again.
I just got back in. Got muted here for a second.
So, are you long or you're not long yet?
I did not get in anything. My thing freaking frozen, or I could not get in or anything. But yeah, I'll be looking for a long. If you break to the top of the triangle here, gonna go long again.
SIP.
I'm gonna bring
And
this
it hit
down.
my SIP. Going back in on it. Ooh, that's eating big orders on the way down.
Ooh, I'm not liking that. Ah, shoot. Hit it before.
Going long.
I'm getting stuck. Is getting my screen is getting frozen.
I gotta stop.
Is holding my symmetrical triangle here. Well, set it too early. Whoa, that's
Another test of the downtrend break from this morning.
yeah.
Volume's not where it should be. Neither's momentum. It's downside break.
I'll put it under this here. Oh, nope.
Got bullish divergence on my 3-minute.
I'll stay away from this for a little bit, guys. The volatility is very, very high and has not picked the direction yet.
I'm gonna give it a try here.
You see my thing, my mouse, I click and look. I need to bring back to, it is not doing very well here for me right now.
Taking one off, move to SIP.
get there.
And again.
Oh, give me another point. Give me another point. Give me another point. There you go. Took one off. I am not going to move to SIP yet, as volatility is too high.
Take one off, and I'm moving to SIP, and yeah, it almost took me out.
Yeah, I'm not moving to SIP quite yet. When I sold when pull my entrance about 2 points than what I want to be. Bought another one because it was under my
Yep.
entrance. One get to the 4 or 5 points. I'll sell it again. There you, oh, you see the volatility is not even giving me. There you
It is
go.
so fast.
I sold it again. This is a perfect scenario here, guys, for training purpose. How to enter another contract when you're already positive. And I am not going to do it again because it's not.
Closing my position. Oh, this could be a spring bottom, but the
Yeah.
momentum's wrong. Momentum suggests it wants to go down, but volume suggests up. Taking the trend line break I took last time. Taking one off. Moving to SIP.
Come on. Give it to me another 5 points. Come on, come on. Another one. Do you guys see that? And the people on YouTube too can see it, how I'm playing with the inside my position. I'm rebuying it and reselling it every 5 points until I can get hit here with all my stop all the way down there, and I'm still positive. Hopefully that would bring us to be able to put in SIP on it.
A lot of wicks at the top.
A lot of wicks on the bottom. At any time, you guys can SIP or take your profit if you're not comfortable with the trade. So like I said, I'm so ahead right now that if it comes back and hit me all the way down there, I'm still way positive on my trade. So I'm giving that space to breathe to see if it's gonna be a directional day, and if it is, we're gonna have a nice entrance. I am not moving my SIP yet. You guys can take your profit if you like, and you can move to SIP if you like. Uh, I'm still not convincing. Okay, now I move to SIP. It's 27 points. 22. I don't want to take a picture of that.
Buyers have taken over, looks like.
Yeah, I'm still not convincing. I still think it's going to come back down here. Man, I have some issue this morning. I could not get in the trade. Is anybody having any issues? High risk, but if you did not take the trade, you can take the bounce here of the symmetrical triangle. If you took, put in SIP.
So you're saying we can go along at 6?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you've just got to be fast on. Yeah, you got to be fast on this.
Yeah.
It's very volatile.
And you guys need to be sharp too. When I say there's a possibility of a good one, don't think, just do it.
Taking one
Um,
off. So actually, I'm gonna. I can get that SIP out of the way real quick. Give it some room.
I have 3 accounts going. Full, 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 full. I did move my stops to 64 on my other two, and I think I'm gonna get sipped. Oh no. Maybe not. Let me see. I still believe that the volatility that we have, we are going to come all the way down again. That's my opinion, though. Take for what it's worth. I wonder this volatility is so high, you know? So much volatility here.
Fighting for all-time highs, aren't we? About to.
Yeah, we're pretty close.
Yeah, that is true.
I mean,
Forgot
market's trying
about
to make
that.
all-time highs before Apple and Amazon report.
I mean, they'd have to go another 40 points, though, from here.
I've got the high at, yeah, I guess that's right. Yeah, around 715 or so.
Yeah, I think 717 is where it hit.
Heck, that could be 2 candles.
At this point, yeah.
True.
I just
Yeah.
wanted to where it was, that's
Yeah.
all.
Yep.
I think I'm gonna take a profit. Yeah, I'm gonna let sit me.
It just crossed the 38% to the downside, just so you know.
Yep, I got sipped. Okay.
Be a right shoulder, inverse head and shoulder on the 1 minute.
Is everybody good?
I stayed out. It's too volatile.
Okay.
Very volatile. Very, very, very
Those
volatile.
wicks in the beginning really scared me.
Taking that. Stop up
Yeah,
though. I don't want to let it
to
go too
do
far against me.
to do this type of trades here, your stop needs to be huge. Cannot be a little stop, or you get eaten alive.
So Lou, are you in any trade right now or no?
I got sipped. I just got sipped. Was on my screens. Did you see that?
Yeah, there was a small lag. It just went off.
Are you watching on
Are you
YouTube?
watching on YouTube? No, I was on Discord, but I don't know why. My Discord has had a little lag this morning, so I just refreshed the page and now it's fine.
Huh.
Even when it was lag, but it's good now, I think.
Do a Control R on your Discord. That would reset your Discord as you are, so will not change anything. Just do a Control R and we'll reset. Maybe that would happen.
Do you guys think we're going down? It feels like it's trying to push down, but the volume is holding it up.
We have a lot of momentum to the upside. Um, the 30 seconds is momentums to the upside. Since I'm not in a trade, I can go through it here. Sixty minutes is up. 15 minutes is down. 10 minutes is curving up. 5 minutes is down, but with divergence to go up. And 3 minutes is up. So I think we're gonna go up, man. However, that don't mean that we're gonna have a bounce, you know.
Going in here. Stops the bottom of this candle.
What happened with my screen? So something's not right on my with my computer today. Now it's so squished. I just can see this.
auto sip got me there too quick.
Took one off.
Is this going to turn into a freaking symmetrical triangle?
It is a symmetrical triangle. That's what we're doing right now. We broke to the downside, to the upside, and now we're in the middle.
Tight one.
Ooh, a lot of sell orders, just a bunch of sell orders just popped in. Yep. Explain my symmetrical triangle here very well, huh? It's taking everybody out, and beware of the pop to the upside and a continuation. Something to think about it. And as I talked to you guys earlier today, today is the day that what? Take profit day, because it's going to be a lot of up and down. So it'll be a very difficult day. I told all of you guys this earlier, so you all know. I gave all you guys that heads up. If you guys have a small account and are not comfortable trading this, I'll highly recommend to do a sim, okay? And still play it, still do it. But with the sim, just to have the feeling how this high, volatility market brings to you. So Don't do in your account, do in your sim.
Lou, you're not long anything anymore?
I'm scalping.
I'm scalping. Oh, okay.
But overall, I'm long.
I got to drop for my daily call.
All right,
I'll
man.
be back on in a bit.
Okay.
Yeah, it's 10 o'clock right now too, so we'll have a little volatility here. And we are playing the symmetrical triangle here very well. So for you guys who are in sim, try to grab the bottom of the symmetrical triangle and see how that would work out for you. On sim, enter more than one, you take one profit. And if you like, you can sip the other or hold. But for beginners, I highly recommend it again not to trade this market as right now. I believe we're gonna break to the upside, then starting going up. However, things can change. Like here in a sim, when you touch the top of the symmetrical triangle, you can short for a scalp. And as soon as you get 5-10 points, get out. Uh, that would help you on your scalp and how it's working on your skills. Again, guys, on sim, I keep repeating myself. I hope you guys understand. Do not do on your real account because today is the day that you can complete destroy your account if you don't play this right. And that's why I stopped showing you guys the entrance here because it's a too fast a day for you guys to try to follow. Now they're talking about pending home sale. Got a dip in September. I just got the announcement. I don't know if it was 10 o'clock.
Yeah, it came out at 10.
Yeah. Any more coming up? Do we? Any more reports?
Just the Fed, and then there's
Okay.
the auction at 11:30.
Auction. Okay. How? 30 years, 15 years, what?
No, I just say 4 weeks and 8 weeks, and then there's a
Okay.
7 year at 1 o'clock, 7 year note.
Okay.
I don't think there's any more Canadian though.
All right. All right. All right. Now it's holding to the upside of the symmetrical triangle. That is a bullish move. Oh, let's see if it's closed this candle above. I guess I said too early because this candle needs to close above and closed below. So that did not count. Let's try this again. Volatility is very, very high still. I'm starting to hate this symmetrical triangle. I guess I'm gonna put a dot it to see if it breaks through
Yeah,
it.
seriously.
Right? My goodness.
It's
It's
like,
not a perfect triangle or anything. I just put in there and it's freaking working on the dot.
yeah, it's like a 20 minutes of sideways.
Yeah. All right, come on. Close above, close above, close above.
Come on.
Finger cross. Come on. 1 second. Okay, good. That one. Stay above. 20 seconds left. Ten. Well, we close above, but on a red candle. Another thing that I do want to talk to you guys about. This is perfect here. Hope everybody's hearing me. On a candle, green candle goes like this, and then come a red candle all the way down. As soon as this red candle come up 3/4 of the way, I usually buy. You can buy here too, cause look, usually this happen. Okay, usually that happen. That's what I try to say quick, so you guys will be able to see it. But but yeah, 3/4 of the way on a red candle after green candle like that. That's a good. Oh, that's high today. That's a good position for to get in. And this could be all day long going up. How's everybody doing?
Is there a safer trade coming up,
I just talked
you
about
think?
it. This one right here. Retrace for the symmetrical triangle
Oh, okay.
to get in, and also remember I talked to you about
Yeah, I remember that
this
part.
3/4 to get in. So
Sounded like a scalp to me, so Didn't take that.
Well, up is not a scalp. Up you can hold. It is a scalp to get in. It's like I scalped with three
Are
on
you still
this
long
here.
though? Do
I've
you have
been
any
sca
positions?
I do have three. I'm sorry, two in each account. Uh, but it was a scalp that turns to a long trade.
Right,
You
right.
know, I had three. I took one off already, and then I'll post so you guys can see. Uh, and I'm about to get sipped on one. Let me do features.
The 30-second could be a bearish harmonic that's trying to come back to test the B point.
To the B point, right? That's a good point.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. And I have my freaking stop right at the B point. Thank you.
Yeah, I'd say
Not
like a
much
little below
stop,
that.
a sip. Yeah, I had my sip in there, so I moved down. Guys, today is not the day. Now, Jeff, I will not buy the B point. No, I never buy the B point. I just got sipped in one of my below the B point, and I just got sipped again, and that's why you don't buy the B point. You see it
Mm-hmm.
right there.
Yeah,
Uh,
so get 20 points and take your profit.
yeah. So today for beginners is not the day to be doing it. Is not the day to be doing it. At least for now. Just listen to me, please. And I'm saying like that because I have people text me, and I have few people text me, and like, if you want to tell me go for it, you can. But I'm telling you, is not a beginner trades today. You need to be fast. You need to be precise. You need to have a big open on your stops to be able to handle the swings. At 10 points, 20 points, at 30 points is not going to make much today. I tell you that right now. Uh, so if you want to destroy your account, do it. However, is a good practice on a sim. Is a good practice for sim. Please, 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 please do sim. Okay, don't do anything stupid. And yeah, you can be lucky, get to the positive side and do 20, 10, 15, 20 points. Uh, but so what? That's lucky. That's not what's supposed to be, you know? It's like I told you guys, if you guys wanted to put in with on Sim again, on Sim, buy it. I did. I buy on my accounts, not Sim, my real accounts, but I was comfortable putting it. My stop was all the way down here. So let's see. Uh, from here was around here. So it was 23 point stops. Okay, on 25 would be what, $50. So I don't want you on M and Q, right? That's you guys play. So I don't want you guys to do that. There's no reason to do that. No reason at all. But if you had got in, you had made it 10, 20, 30, 40 right here. And that's how I learn. Okay, doing on sim, doing this. Okay, oh, that's work. And getting used to it, to these moves. Okay, getting used to take profit. Getting used to have, a little bit negative on your account. Uh, Getting used to these things. So that's gonna help you in the long run.
Hey Lou, you
But
think we're making a D-leg
I am,
from 9:30? Yeah.
could be, but I don't think it's gonna play out because we are not. You see here how many times we can break this time and go through it. But I think we're gonna be more sideways than anything today. And you guys can call me annoying and call me that, any names that you want. Blame on me, do whatever. But what I'm doing here is making you guys money. If we cannot make money today, so what? We kill it all week and we can kill tomorrow. And if I did not care, I would not be here.
Appreciate it.
And after today, all the big Nasdaq guys would have reported, so it should get a little easier. Sometimes it's not easy playing the reports when the big guys are reporting.
Yeah, like right here, let me show you guys one thing. Uh, I'm gonna put it all the way
Is
down
this an
here.
example, or did you actually take a trade?
I took a trade on my
Okay.
account. But look what can happen. I just went to one in all accounts. So yeah, right now, let me open three. I would, if you guys want to see P&L, I'm around, just multiply by three, okay? Whatever you see there, multiply by three. So each 5 points is $100, so it'll be $300 negative. Uh, and and you tell me how this is gonna work for you guys. Do I think that's a good trade? No, I don't, but I'm doing it, so I'm putting my money where my mouth is. So went up. So what I'm gonna do is if it comes down a little bit, I'm gonna buy another one. Oh, I missed the down tick right there. I'm gonna buy another one. And when get to the, so right now I need to multiply by 2 and then multiply by 3. Because again, I just have one, I like 2, 4, 6. I have 6 NQs at the moment. Am I gonna put in SIP? I am not gonna put, oh, I missed it. Alright, took one off, like I always do, right? I tell you guys to do it. Am I gonna put in SIP? Should I put in SIP now? Talk to me, guys. Should I put in SIP now or no?
On a volatile day like
It's not
this,
gonna work, right? It's not gonna work. So what I can do is put in my stop all the way here. But to get to put in here, to tell you the truth, I prefer putting SIP because if I put in here, it's gonna hit me. Okay, so it's a different style. So I need to keep my stop what it is. And Y is under, look how many times we hit this triangle. If hit this triangle, that means that it's bad, so I should not get in. And what do I tell you guys all the time? Scare money, don't
make
make
no money.
money, right?
And so, Lou, I think without even saying it, you basically scale down and widen your stops, which is what you're supposed to do in a volatile day,
Exactly.
right?
That's it. I can buy freaking 1,000 NQs right here. All right. So I don't need even this. The freaking NQ can go to 0 and my account will still be positive, as it is right now. But that's not the way we do trade, right? So I'm just trying to show you guys how this style needs to change on a volatile. It's 8 points. We got to 8, 9 points here. Should I have put in SIP? You can, with the right thing, but I look for 30, 50, 100 points. 10 points, I don't care. I don't care 10, I don't care 20. I care about 80. Unless I see something that's changed my mind and say, okay, now I think that's gonna come down. Then yeah, I'll take it off. Uh, but as right now, this consolidation here is giving me, and I want to do this to show you guys how you guys know my style. You know how I trade. I don't trade like this, right? This is just
Right.
a little different, and that's the style that you get with the experience using sim. Simple as that, using sim. So, all you guys would be like, "Oh my goodness, let's put in SIP. It's already in SIP." And that's where, and I'm here talking to you guys, explaining to you guys, and this is real accounts, okay? I have three. I don't know how I can take pictures of all three. I can show you. I have one, and one. Uh, and what I could do too, what I could do is go on the other account. I'm gonna get to. No, I don't want to do that. I was going to SIP on the other two accounts, but it's just one, so I'm not gonna even uh, SIP there. And worked out. Yep. Could be bad. Yep. Do I have a knowledge of that? Yep. So right now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna SIP and put a little bit on my uh oh, you know what? Sorry guys, I have more than on my other account. One account was full. I did not know why. So I'm gonna take profit on that one. Give me 1 second, guys. I'm following real close in one of my account. I'll take a picture here real quick so you guys can see it. This is one account. This is another account. And I'm taking screenshots like this to be quick, okay? Because I want to trade. Oh, okay. I got sipped on the one that I talked to you guys about it, and I have the screens that you don't see is right there. Those two. Uh, so what I'm gonna do now is move my sip up on this one. I have a sip on this one, and I'm gonna sip this one. Okay. Do you guys have any question about what I'm doing? I'm controlling three different accounts, three different positions, and I'm doing everything in front of you. To tell the truth, this is take time, take profit. Touch my blue. I should have taken profit right there on my other accounts. I was taking care of the other accounts and answer questions on text. You guys should talk to me here on the mic so that I answer the questions for everybody, not just private message me. Doyle's not feeling good, so he just texted me here saying that he's gonna take the day off. I don't believe it. I'm pretty sure he'll come back when he's feeling a little better. Uh, but
Probably trading on his laptop in bed.
maybe, who knows? It's the oil after all. Uh, Brian texted me now. Hold on. Um, there it is, guys. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna move my other two accounts up, and I'm gonna move this one here to. Oh shoot, this is my main account. So if I move here, everything move. Okay, no problem. Am I explaining right? And are you guys understand what I'm saying? Or
For your accounts?
yeah, about my accounts, about my.
Yeah, you talked about it a few times actually.
I just wanna to make sure that everybody understand what I'm saying here. I do not want it to be a stupid guy just mumbling here, you know?
Hey Lou, would you place ABCD fibs on this on the 3 to 5 minute?
Uh, on the three
It's just
minutes,
really messy. It's like really messy,
yeah,
so I don't really know.
from here to here, maybe. Let's see. From here to here. Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, we cannot do it because this broke and
Hmm.
came down. Um, yeah, we can do on this one. Oh, I got sipped in one of my accounts. I'm still have one running beside this one here. I think it's gonna sip me. Let's see. Nope, went back up. Let's see if we hold. I am gonna put in this one right here. That is the our first flag, right? Um, let's see if that would hold. Robbie, do you have anything else? Do you have anything to tell these guys or anything?
No, I think your explanation was pretty good. What you're doing.
Okay.
I would just be careful today, especially with Amazon and Apple reporting. The
Yeah.
reporting days are sometimes a little weird. So as you were saying before, after today, all the big guys would have reported this week. So the technical analysis should be a little easier to trade in the following week. So I wouldn't be FOMOing anything today.
For sure.
Or we start going sideways soon. It's 10:30, so maybe another hour we start going sideways. I wouldn't be battling for positions.
If you look at the 3 minutes, it's like almost every candle has a wick either up or down. It's like
Yeah,
it's
it's
really messy.
horrible, right? For sure. For sure. Let me spread it out here. And we went to R1 as well. So
and the last two daily candles have big wicks at all-time high. So I'm interested to see if they'll actually break and hold.
And you know
We
what?
got
What
pretty
is the
close,
all?
right?
Yeah, what is the all-time high? I
I think we
forgot.
got in within. We
708
got
ish.
within. We hit it.
We
I
hit
mean,
it
we're like
then.
right there.
Yeah, we'll go
Yeah, yes.
710.
Yeah, we hit all-time high actually on that big wick up there. Well, I guess technically yesterday's was higher, but the previous all-time high from September is 708.
What is the all-time high right now?
717.50 from
Oh, okay.
yesterday.
Okay. That's what I wanted to know. So we'll be right here then. Okay, perfect. I need to be at 730. If you get to 730, I get 400 points on that trade from Monday.
Oh wow,
Nice.
that's awesome.
Yeah, I'm on 369 right now. Oh, a big order 710, a huge sale order on 710. So if you
How
get it,
much?
oh, hold on.
Yeah, I can see it on your screen.
152
Jeez.
That's pretty big.
NQs. I don't know about MNQs. Yep, another 152 right there. What that means, if we break it through it, we're gonna have this spike that's gonna bring us above the the 150 above that just got out of the way.
Interesting.
Usually they do that to
Lou,
push. Yes, sir.
is this giving you vibes of wanting to go up?
Give away.
Is this giving you vibes of wanting to go up?
Yeah, I think we're going to. I think we're gonna go above the. I talked to you guys. I told all of you guys about all
No,
of
you
this.
did. Yeah, you did.
Yeah, yeah. I'm not gonna enter here.
Right, right.
I will not enter here to go long for sure. But about 7 o'clock this morning, I told you guys that it was gonna be a very difficult day. We're gonna be up and down a lot. Look what happened, up and down. Every time we're gonna need to take profit because it's gonna come back down and hit us onto the point that's gonna break the symmetrical triangle and continuing up. And man was by the teeth, everything perfect. Work like magic. Magic.
I missed that conversation.
You did? Oh shoot.
Yeah. Nah, it's all good. Yeah, I definitely should have taken profit. Definitely. Yeah,
Yeah, I talked.
definitely got hit. Got hit a few times, like because I thought, like, oh, maybe it'll keep going,
Keep
but
on going now.
nah.
Now today was take profit. Uh, if you go to the YouTube today, if you go to the channel on YouTube and look through at least just the open, you see how I trade. Uh, I put my stop way down, and every 5 to 10 points I was taking profit, and then come back to my entrance, I'll rebuy it, and then take another profit, and then rebuy it again and take you know what I mean? But that's a
Yeah.
different style of trading. That's why I talk to everybody, say don't do it. At least I'm doing sim because
Well, you can only do that once, right? Like if it comes back down a
oh
third
no,
time,
I
then
did a
you're probably
bunch. I kept doing it.
oh.
I kept doing it because I knew on this here, on this mass here, I was right here in the middle. So I was going back down. As soon as it passed through, boom, I bought it. And when there 10 points, I sold it. And then came back down and come back up, I bought it. I sold, came back down. So I did like 3 or 4 times.
It's pretty smart actually. It's like taking profit on like the same trade and just getting in more. or like free, like a free, earning some free, like contracts.
Yeah, yeah. Just getting profit, getting profit. Got to the point that if I got hit on my huge stop, I was still being profit.
Yeah, that's pretty smart. Yeah, today, man. Oh my God, that volatility is nuts, bro.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, my brother's calling here. Give him 1 second, guys. Yeah, man, I wanted to take profit on my other account, but if we roll up all day long, I hate to be not to be
Yeah,
in.
I think volume is building up now, actually, because we the whole time I think the volume was going down, like when we were in that crazy volatile area,
Yeah,
but it seems like it's going up now. So I have one long. I want to take profit too because after we had that, you told us that earlier. I was like, I started taking profit on almost everything. Um,
yeah,
but it looks like the volume's going up, so I think I'm gonna hold on to this.
yeah. If I had just this one, I'm not saying this one I'm gonna hold. I'm following our rules, right? To go in the steps.
Yeah.
I'm talking about the other one, the other account. Uh, and that was fun because this entrance, see, I was not feeling too comfortable. I entered just to show you guys how to play, and worked
You
out.
know what's funny? It's usually those entrances that take off. I've noticed in the past week.
Yeah,
So now we just got no information above here, right? Like it's just a
none.
big empty area.
Yeah, yeah. We have that 261 that we hit. No, we did not hit this 261 because that's 752. I need to check what this 261 is. Uh, oh, let's see how many points I need to do my 400. Ooh, 372 right now. Oh, yeah, that was not gonna work. The 30 seconds doesn't show anything. I cannot even show on the 30 seconds. Doesn't even show me the the entrance. I need to go to the 10 minutes.
Hey, is there earnings tomorrow as well?
I don't think so. I think we are done after the bigger ones at least today.
Yeah, cool. Definitely an experience. This, looking at this earnings situation. Like this is normal, right, for earnings,
Yeah,
like this sort of market.
very normal. We drop a week prior and we starting to fight like this on the 4 times a year. And right now we're
When's
doing
the
a
next?
double top.
Yeah, when's the next quadruple witching event? I remember we had that.
I
I
think
remember I was around for that one.
I think we did
That
already
was
this
nuts.
year.
Oh, we did. Okay.
Yeah, we did. I'm doing like Doyle said that I need more 10 points on that account, my other account here, so I can take profit. And I'm probably gonna lose $50 to make 20. Or whatever it is. I'm just, you know, it's like I need just 20
Oh, Doyle.
bucks.
Just a little more so I can sip it.
Yeah, that's what Doyle say, right?
Yeah.
Just a little more so I can sip it.
It's not quite there yet. It's not quite at where I want it to be.
And then he say, damn it, I pushed the wrong button. That is funny. Man, after this trade
Yeah.
is over here, I am going to eat, eat, eat.
This thing is
Oh,
giving me the vibes. It wants to go. Well, it's going up. Never mind. It's going up.
yeah. Well, today off my screen, I gave you guys 34 points, and now another 36, 40 points almost. Again, guys, you all can take profit. Um,
It just made all-time high.
yep.
Yep. Shop reports today too, and they're having a huge day. Oh, Shop already reported this morning. Yeah, Shop's up 7%. They're definitely helping push the Nasdaq.
Do you think shop is big?
Yeah, I mean Shop is $1,500 stock.
Ah, okay, wow.
Yeah, it's pretty crazy.
Yeah.
And now we just watch it grind up.
Hopefully. I think we need
Yeah,
a
hopefully.
pullback. We need a pullback here to keep on going up. I just don't want to pay for it. That's all.
How far of a pullback would you look for, Luke?
At 8 to 30, 38% first, and then we're gonna go to the
Ah, right, right.
50. Uh, let's put it from here. Last push to here. So let's look for the 23% will bringing us to the R1. 38% bringing us to this possible B point.
So let's go to 16K today.
That'd be nice. In here, guys, you guys can start looking for some shorts. I do not have any trend, and I'm on this trade, so I don't want to take any points. I don't want to take out of here for now, 'cause I'm watching like a hawk right now. But if you guys have any fibs or anything to throw out there, uh, because we're an all-time high after all, I'm not saying that we're gonna dump a bunch. I'm just saying that is a possibility, that we have a pullback. We are at 161, almost 161 here. So 3 minutes is still pretty up. We have no
Got a
divergence.
new all-time high there, huh?
Oh yeah, we've been beating all-time high. And
Yeah, 5 minutes through the roof.
Yeah.
Let's go, baby.
You guys think the
Come to the
momentum traders hopped on?
188 right there. Not even paying attention. Oh, just giving a little attention, guys, on 188 and 52 points. I'm posting there, okay? It's so funny. Everybody's excited about the 400 points, but they were not here, right, Robbie? When I was doing 1,000 points, 3,000 points, 2,000 points, almost every another day.
Yeah, that was
So
fun when the market was giving us the
yeah,
moves like that.
but
Yeah,
it's
that's not
fun.
even your biggest trade.
Yeah, it's fun to be here and see all of us together doing this together, you know. I think I
No,
did.
for sure.
I think I did more than 500 points before here, didn't I? I think I
I think
did
so.
500 and something on this Discord. I don't
Yeah.
remember. Oh, 395. I need 4 more points for 500 points. For 400 points, sorry.
Keep your finger on the trigger for that picture.
Oh, 399, 398. Oh, I'll be shitting me if I don't. 399, 398, 399, 397.
Nose, do it, nose.
400. Got it. Right at 400
Beautiful.
too.
I think almost every time I've seen this thing hit an all-time high, it just does this. What it's doing right now just freaking goes.
Yeah, it does, right?
Yeah.
There's a lot of volume too. These last 3 minute
Oh, yeah.
candles,
Big
or the
time.
last
Yeah.
three 1 minute candles.
Oh, a bunch of 227, guys. 227. Whew. 227, guys. Did anybody short there? Please say yes. Say yes, sir.
Nope.
I sure
Hell
Nope.
no.
did.
Just chilling.
We have a lot of buyers holding up here. We have buyers. If breaks through it, we're gonna get a big we're gonna get a big push down. I don't want to say dump, but push down.
That pullback we're looking for, possibly.
Yeah. Jeff put in YouTube. Yeah, I don't know if Sugar's here. Yeah, she is. She's doing arts for us now. She does an awesome job, and she's probably gonna do something about that one. What is the? I didn't post the in here. 400 points right Cool. Yeah, after this push here, as I talk to you guys, yeah, I'm even
Hey, Lou,
sweaty today. Huh?
at this point, what kind of pullback would you look for?
You had to head short at 227. Okay. Uh,
Okay, so, all right, I guess I'm asking the opposite question. I'm still thinking it might go up, um, but you're not thinking that anymore after the 227?
no, we can go up, but we need to pull back. Look how much we push up. Unless we do like
Right,
we did
so,
yesterday, that we keep it going up and up and
right.
up, right?
So at this point, it made a new high since our last flag.
Mm-hmm.
Where would you draw the fibs? Would you take the entire move up, or would you take this
Yeah,
recent
yeah.
pull?
Now the hold on. I'll put it from here to here.
Gotcha.
And guys, I love when you guys ask question. I hate when you guys text me throughout the day. I'll be honest. If you guys ask me questions like Overtraded does, Fast does, Jeff does, typing features, because this give opportunity to Robbie to answer, or maybe another a blue one can answer, you know. But if you direct to me on a DM, it's hard for me because like right now I'm in this trade. Uh, so feel free to type. I'm uh yeah, real time. Yeah, that's what I need to do. It's just I feel bad just to see that somebody DM me. I see they're holding it, and I worry about it that you might be in trouble. So I know a few of you guys cannot speak, which I don't mind at all. Just type. This is hard for me because take my concentration off. Not to talk, not to answer on features, but to go to DM. So I need to click on DM. I need to, you know what I mean? And I apologize to be blunt like this. It's just, as I talked to you guys before, we're open book here. All right. Man, that was beautiful, huh? Beautiful. Oh, real time. I did not know I can do that. That'd be nice. It was nice that the YouTube people, saw us doing this. Pretty cool, pretty cool, pretty cool. Ay, ay, ay. And I got sipped. Robbie, are you here?
Yep, I'm here.
All right, I'm gonna get my bite to eat. Or just wait for the short again at 227. I'm sorry, I just saw that message. I was looking for something. I was looking something else, Jeff. Uh, the 188 was a flag. Uh, the what I'll have done in there, you could have bought the bottom of the flag, right? Short the bottom of the flag like Doyle does, to make sure that we had break. Is a little high risk, but that's what I'll have done, or like a uptick, like right now. You know, if you're in sim, want to give you that uptick here, short it. Uh, you see what I'm talking about? Like right there, short it and ready to go. You're good. So as you're in sim, just to put you in the trade. So if you're not FOMO, you know, you're waiting for technicals. And then sip right now because your interest is not perfect. So sip right away and see if keep on going down. If hits you, wait for a bounce like it's bouncing right now here on this trend. It's gonna give you a little green candle. You can enter again and to break down. As soon as break down, give you another candle, you're in. So but that entrance probably let you stay in. So that's how you enter without being FOMO, okay? And it worked out perfect. Look at that.
Yeah, we're retesting yesterday's all-time high. Bottom
Okay,
of that candle.
cool. Like I said, I'm gonna go eat real quick, guys. Okay, I'll be right back. Give them a few minutes.
Yeah, no worries.
Good job, you all. Good job.
Very close to hitting the 38. From the low of the open to the high. Yep, so the 38's right here. So the low starts at 936, the low from the open, and then we place it to the high we just made. So this is showing the range for the whole day. The low of day from the open, high of day from the open. All right, we broke this support. All right, we broke it, retested. That could have been a short entry. Retest of broken support. Yep, no problem, Jeff. And then this is 100% fit from yesterday. So this is yesterday's all-time high right here. You can see we've hit it 3 times. Break of the downtrend. Entering an area where we have very little volume. You can see that we're moving through it pretty quickly. This is all-time high. So we've never had volume up here before until now.
You going long, Robbie, on this?
No.
Hmm.
If someone wants to go long, they can. On the 30-second, it's retesting this downtrend. There was much more buying than there was selling on the red 30-second candle. I think it might be making ABCD down, so I don't want to touch it right now. The momentum on the 1 minute's kind of shot.
Yeah, I see that.
So this could just be A, B, C, D. Might get down to the support of the day.
Yep.
Another high on the 3 or 5 minute would give us maybe not the 5 actually. I'd say it would give us bearish divergence. If you did take the retest, you can put a sip in and take it. Ascending trend.
I'm back, guys. You guys seen this? Maybe a double top here, a spring top. Can you guys hear me?
Yeah, you know,
Anybody have any issues? I'm gonna fill my mouth of food here. But I'm here. I can hear you guys. If you need anything, just I think it would be a good try to get a double top here or something.
You talking about shorting the double top, Lou?
Yes, sir.
yeah, Jeff. I wouldn't say the Russell's ascending triangle since it's um, maybe like half an hour ago it was with this trend line. So this would have been your ascending triangle earlier. Then it broke out. But if you look at the 5 minute on the Russell, we've got this super bearish candle with a ton of volume. And then we've been inching up on really low volume. So this is probably just like the spring top to come back down. As you can see, we're starting to come back down. So this had a ton of selling. And now we've just been slowly curling up, most likely to try to get a little retracement down, like an ABCD. Maybe somewhere back to these wicks. There's so much volume in here now. You might not want to break under here. Yeah, it's at the POC and it's breaking the support here. I think it's going to finish this ABCD down to here somewhere. Yep, that 5 minute still doesn't have divergence, which is pretty crazy. Slight divergence on the 3.
To the upside or to the downside?
No, divergence to the downside in the 3, but the 5 is still no divergence. 1 has divergence.
Yeah, I want to try this. I'm going to try this double top, but that worries me a little bit.
Yeah, you could try to double top. I think we might get to the 127. I just wish the 5 looked better. This could have just been a pullback after this long leg. What do you think, Lou?
Everybody's so quiet. Am I frozen or is it not moving?
I see your screen moving.
Uh,
I think we just made a
3
new high.
minutes. I'm gonna give a try here just to see what we get.
I'll take it, and I sipped it because I don't trust it.
That's not a bad idea, man. That's not a bad idea.
And sipped. There's a lot of volume in that last candle, though. But it was like a doji, so I don't know.
Yeah, I'm see if it comes to
Yeah.
that 261 here. Man, this flies. I have some flies here. I'm not gonna fight if I get if I get sipped, I get sipped. It's no big deal. Oh, okay. I am going to take. Ooh, I almost did a mistake. I almost bought it. I'm so used to. What the heck happened here?
What are you expecting out of this short, Lou?
Man, we're in all-time high, brother. I'm gonna put in
So a lot?
sip. Yeah, I'm gonna put in sip. I took my profit that that I need for the trade, and I'm gonna give all the room for it. I'm taking profit in one account. I have two accounts going. You know, could be just a pullback to keep on going up, but that's how we play the all-time highs, you know. If we dump 700 points from here, we got an all-time high. And the way to do it is exactly like that. You enter, you get out with some, leave some, and let's see what takes you. I don't think we are done going up, but I'm gonna start in uh, doing this, holding it, and for the record, I'm still long on my 400 point entrance, but I'm every short that I'm gonna hold from here, I'm gonna try to take profit and hold one on SIP. The all-time high don't mean anything to me to be the all-time high. I've been telling you guys for a long time. All-time high don't mean anything because every day can be all-time high. But I know mess with a lot of psychological people, and this all-time high. We need to short. We need to short. So I'm just using their mentality, see if giving us anything. And I took the trade. I took the money that I want off the trade, and I have that sipped. More that stay on this little flag here, the worse it is for a short position, as can build up to do the three drives or yeah, right now the three drives or keep pushing up. Greg, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
How's it going, man?
That's going. You know, green a little bit. Just
Yeah,
excuse me. Just working on what I was discussing this morning.
yeah. Man, I want to call Doyle to tell him that's all time high, but I want to bug him since he's sick.
Well, probably watching.
I was probably thinking like Doyle's probably short right now.
Yeah. Jeff, I don't think Tesla is going to be a problem. I don't think they're gonna move Tesla now. I think it's completely different. Tesla is in another level, you know. We need to remember that Tesla is not just a car, you know. So I don't think would because announcement of the another electric car or anything would make any difference. Jack, how you doing, man? Jack,
Hanging in.
uh-oh. Uh-oh, Jack. As I said, more time we spend sideways here, the worse for the short.
Yeah, because it could be forming the bull flag, like you said.
Yeah. So, and it's getting to this uptrend here on a sideways action. So I don't like it either. We might gonna have the three drives pattern, and I don't think would giving us that easy, you know, a double top like this and drop would be very nice and polite of a Nasdaq, but I'll I'll be surprised. Let's put it that way. I'll be surprised. Nobody's gonna ask me about this trend, no?
Well, it did break the trend line, didn't it?
Yeah, broke
And
the
then
trend.
retest.
Yeah,
Would you enter short on it
I'm shorted already.
if you were flat?
3 minutes. Yeah, I think we could try a small position here, putting your stop above the flag. Oh, something just pop in here. Um, I hate to say to put on SIP already, but since was a iffy entrance, I'll take some off and put the other one in SIP. Just in case. But if you have cushion, you can put it above the trend line. This way give you a little bit more room. But if you don't, uh, put in your in SIP.
So Lou, I was in a meeting. Sorry, I missed your entry on the chart. Do you still think it's a good idea to enter over here, or no?
We just about 30 seconds ago we just talked about the break the trend. Some people just enter on that break the trend and they accept already.
Righty. So enter somewhere around 7:35 area.
Kinda, yeah. But like I said, right now it is get riskier and riskier uh, on coming back like this. You know, you can try if you have cushion. You can try to enter if we retest the trend, but it's riskier and riskier. Like this is a A plus, this would be a B, and right now would be a C. However, you can pass on a C, right? So,
That's hilarious.
right? Am I wrong?
Yeah.
You know?
No, you're not wrong.
Uh, if you think that way, now maybe I just try different things. So I could see it's fighting right now, and you'd be like, is it bad? Is good? Is bad? Is good? I still cannot believe that it's giving us that easy. So I still think we're gonna come back up or do some stupid thing here. Cause that's not like Nasdaq to give it to us that easy like this, the entrance all the way up there. Did you re-enter, Robert?
No, I didn't.
Cause
Although now,
you had
kind
the
of regretting it.
entrance. Yeah, you had the entrance like me, right? Was all the way on the top.
Yeah, but I sipped it right away because I was unsure about it because
Yeah.
it just seemed like the volume was going up. So
And still can go.
yeah, I'm still eyeballing it for long. I mean, not right now, but maybe in sometime in the later.
I was eating and I started seeing going up and I started eating fast, 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 fast. I need to finish eating before this go to double top. Because I knew I was going to try. But Jack, how you doing?
I sipped too early.
Okay, scary money. I put in the my other account, sipped right here, right above this. I might get sipped.
What you think about this candle here, Lou?
Very strong candle,
Yeah,
but not much volume though.
yeah, no.
If we do make another high, it will be three drives. Just to keep that in mind.
Yep, that's what I've been saying. Yep, I'll be very surprised if we dump from here because usually it's not like that. It's not easy like that.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, I'll be in shock, but it's possible. And we bounced right off the 23%. I don't know if you guys noticed that, but
Which
I did
23?
not notice
yeah,
that.
now that
Oh,
this
okay,
one
I see it.
broke already, so never mind. The question is, do I think it's gonna go up again? Uh, I'm short, and
Got your little trend line break coming up.
yeah, I don't think it's gonna be a big dump because
Lou, what happened to that sell order? Did it get hit or did it move out of the way?
I didn't, I think I hit this one
Okay.
above, got out of the way. I'm gonna go get sipped on my other account. So as I was saying, can be up. We can go up and get the all-time high again on the third drive. I think it's pretty reasonable to say that's going to happen. Maybe we stay sideways for a little bit until get some uh, string to push ourselves up. Or somebody can be the first day in the job and say, what is this red button for? I said, no. So, real time, yeah, let me put in here and see how does it look. Real time was saying about this, which is possible. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
ascending triangle here, that giving us the, yeah, Jeff, right there, right? Oh shoot, can you imagine push like that? We go to back to 11,000. Gonna get sapped on the other count. Nope. It's getting right on and it's coming back down.
Our TY did the ABCD I said it was gonna do, like right to a level I thought it was gonna go.
Oh Jesus, I need to stop these things. How do I stop a GIF to be moving? Ugh. Did not get sipped. Not yet, at least. No, Jeff is all good. It was funny though. Wall Street that put one of those that circles, right? That picture that circle and get all like not what is that called? That make that red black
Hypnotized.
hypnotize people and it's like oh always messed with me that yeah I think now it's gonna sip my other account. He's getting right on and come back down. Right on. I don't even know how this candle here did not sip me.
Could be an inverse head and shoulder right there.
On little one here.
Yes. Is
Yeah,
that
could
correct?
be, but remember we're in the all-time high zone, right? But yeah, could be. This
Could be one of
happened
those
before.
anomalies.
Huh?
Yeah. It could be one of those anomalies
Yeah,
that
yeah,
usually
yeah,
happen on all-time highs or
yeah.
at all-time
So
highs.
that happened before, so definitely possible. I can't wait to see what Sugar is gonna do with that 400 points. I can't wait. Man, it's still 11:40. Seems like 6 o'clock at night.
Yeah, seriously. I
Holy
feel like
moly.
it's been a long day already.
Like the divergence on that head and shoulders, though, in the 1 minute and the 4 minute, 5 minute rather, 3 minute.
Divergency to the upside.
No, head and shoulders. That's the kind of divergence Doyle likes to see.
But it's like, oh, I got sipped on my other account.
Where's the neckline?
Yeah, what is the neckline? That's what I'm trying to figure it out.
Well, I mean, the neckline's pretty
Is
sloppy,
that crooked?
But yeah.
Crooked one. Okay.
Yeah, I definitely like the 3 drives.
Yeah.
Believe we get another high.
As I told you guys, she's good, but not that good. She's not giving us.
Would you consider this a triple top, Lou?
No triple top. 3 drives.
3 drives. Okay, gotcha.
Triple top would be if it was level.
To the tick.
If this was if all 3 was like this, 1 here, 2 here, and 3 here.
Right. So looks like a point or 2 off.
Yeah. That's what we were saying 3 drives because it has the motion up. And the difference this is the one is bullish, one is bearish.
Right. Gotcha.
Oh man, I was going to short there. Did you short?
No, I wanted the 127.
127 of what?
This.
This from here to here?
No, the last one. So like the last drive. From there to next low. Yeah.
Oh, you're playing dirty. You're playing close.
You gonna give it a try there, Ruby?
Yeah, I would like to.
Yeah, 127.
All right.
Mm-hmm. There's 2 127s on the hourly that are just below it.
Nice.
Around 55. 54.75. Short.
What? What did you say? I don't know if he's gonna make there, man.
Someone was ringing my doorbell. That was like awful timing.
Tell them go away.
Yeah. Like yo, I'm trying to short.
Yeah, I don't think we're
Quick
gonna go
question.
to the 127. Yeah.
Yeah, we
At
might not get
all-time
there.
highs,
The what?
at all-time highs, do technicals still play out?
Oh yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Look at that. We
Yep.
just
What's
touched the
the profit target on
261.
this?
To the moon in China.
Through the earth. To the core of the earth.
God dang, I didn't enter on that
Well,
one.
I'm short sit.
Perfect.
I took a trend break.
Perfect. I'm gonna try to do a stupid thing here and try to get in.
I'd like to get a green candle and get in.
Yeah.
PSE&G guy owes me 7 points.
Oh
Oh, mother,
shit.
god damn it!
God dang it.
We're just about ready to get in, and then
Yeah, well,
bam.
my wasn't finger. My finger was like touching. Like gonna get in, gonna get in, gonna get in, and bloop,
What's the normal profit target on the 3 drafts?
all the way home. Wee 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 wee.
All right,
It's a nice call on the
I'll
three
take it.
drives, guys.
I'm gonna build the PSE&G guy.
I scalp off the triangle and
Oh man,
Oh,
elevator down, baby.
I'm
ooh,
about to throw up.
I scalp.
25 points.
Damn, that's beautiful.
I got 18.
Should I take profit or hold
Hold that bitch.
it? Okay. Where should I put my stop?
I would take a little off here, right at support of the day.
Yeah, I did too.
Unfortunately, I took
Robbie,
most of
did
it
you
off
get in?
already.
But yeah, we've got this intraday gap here below the 161.
Hey, Robbie, did you get in?
Nope. I got back and was hoping we'd get a small little green candle, and we got a 22-point red candle.
I did.
What we
I
just
I
got is a
got
D
in.
leg here, actually, guys.
Yeah, that's what we did. I
Going
got in.
back
That's
to
why I saw that M, and I got in right here on the break of the
Hit
triangle.
the 150 of the M.
Hey, I'm out. I
Started
got
at
out.
the
I got out.
161.
I got out. I got out. Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out.
All right, I got out. I got out. I got out. 30 points.
Cool.
Very nice.
we almost touched the 161 on that D, going back to the B point.
Nice.
That
Sorry,
was deep.
sorry, I did not do it in front of you guys because it was a very risky trade. So I jumped on my scalping account and enter on the symmetrical triangle break.
Maybe wants to go now, huh? That green candle is pretty nice.
Yeah, but look at the volume.
Yeah.
Was half of the volume of the actually was the same size of volume on the same size. So yeah, you're right. Maybe.
I didn't take it. I'm just waiting, because I think that was a pretty hard push down. I might keep going.
I think it just hit the B point.
Yep, I
Yep.
did.
It
Yep. Just
did.
played out.
Good call. Good call, sir. I just sent me my money to my bank. I got paid for the week. Now I can just tell the boss that I'm working, but I'm not. Because I got paid already, so. Actually, the boss is at home today. Should stay home with my youngest so she can taking care of him.
He's not feeling well.
He threw up, man, last night, all night long. No,
Oh, jeez.
from nowhere. He was not,
Yeah.
uh, he was not feeling well, so he asked to come to our bed, and he laid down. He fell asleep, and I just felt his hand and said that, and bleh, all over. It's like, oh shit. Was all over the bed, all over the sheets and
Yeah, that's no good.
pillows, everything, you know. So
Yeah.
the wife took him to the bathroom, gave him a bath, and I had to change all the clothes on the bed and all that crap. So it was a little
Yeah.
intense night
Yeah, not ideal.
at Lima's farm here. So she
Everybody's getting
decided to
sick
stay
these
home.
days.
Yeah, she decided to stay home. She get
Yeah, I
mad.
mean,
She get
I wonder
mad
with
when
like the weather changing.
could be. She get mad when I call her my boss. She's like, "Why are you saying that? People's gonna think I'm a meme." I'm like, "Are you bored though?" No, I'm not saying any lies.
I think this is on. Is this being recorded on YouTube?
The what? Oh yeah,
Is this
Yes.
yeah.
being
That's a
No, you
bad thing, right? It's on
better be
YouTube. She
quiet.
can
Yeah.
go
Yeah.
there.
Well, we'll just edit that the last 60 seconds out.
Yeah. A few more minutes on YouTube, and we'll be out of YouTube. We can listen to music and
I
etc.
think this is a bear flag.
Could be.
I think we just had that big volume sell.
Man, I'm
Now we're
so mad that I did not short. I was short on every single one, and I did not short the last one. Ay, I short here. I short here. I did not short here, and
Would it be
blam.
fair to say that this is a perfect example of a three drive?
Oh yeah, man.
Along with the
man.
momentum that you were seeing, the actual technicals are perfectly played out.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Each high, less momentum
Awesome.
on the 1 minute. Divergence on the 3 and 5.
yeah. That was perfect, 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 perfect. That's like a take a picture, and
I
save
just
to your
did.
computer every time you're like, what do I do with the three drives pattern? That's what it is, right there. And how a triangle can work so good. Cause look, came down, it stopped on the triangle, which gave me my entrance, and then we went down. And without seeing it, I had not have this fib yet. I got out, and I told Robert to get out as well. I'm trying to identify this pattern here, try to think on my head, but I cannot. It's not looking like something that I can put my fingers on.
Yeah, I don't really see anything at this point.
Yeah,
Unless we just made the
hold
head
on.
to a head and shoulder on the 3 minute.
Hey,
So we
check
had
it.
the left shoulder as the first drive, the second and third drive are making the head.
Oh, check
We just
this
made the
out.
neckline.
Look at this. I just looked those. Ah,
Yeah, I think that was the support I mentioned that you should take some off of
on
the
this
short
one,
because
yeah,
it probably would get a little bounce there.
yeah. I like
I
it
think it
this
broke
one.
just under it.
Yeah. Mine was just the candle, how the candle act, and like I knew I need to get out. I did not
Mm-hmm.
have the fibs or this candle or this trend here. And Q again treating us very well today, gentlemen. Can anybody complain about anything? If you
Nope.
complain, I have a baseball bat right next to me. Just letting you know. I even stopped taking screenshot for you, Robbie, because I was taking too many.
You did take one, or you didn't?
I did few.
Okay, nice. Oh, okay, yeah, I see a few. Nice. Oh, you got the 400 update, right?
Yeah, I got the
Yeah,
400
that's
update.
awesome. I'll definitely post that.
Yeah, I got the 400 update, and I got few 50 points today, I think. Not few, but couple, and
Yeah.
couple 30
Yeah, I'll
pointers.
post both of those today.
Man, I so wish I knew how to tell people on YouTube to come and watch us trade, because I don't see anybody out there doing what we do here, calling what we call and make the money that we make here. I truly don't see it.
I'd be very surprised
Yeah,
to find another group.
that's what we do. I don't.
Yeah.
I truly don't know. You know, is and we call before happens. You know,
We
every
just
time. What?
we just finished a little XABCD, and then maybe we're doing a D-leg on a bigger XABCD upwards. What do you think, Lou?
Trying to figure it out where and what
Oh, well, we're at an H right now, so we're possibly making a D-leg right now to the upside.
on this
Yeah, make a
middle one
W.
here.
Yes.
Yeah, it could be, but again, we're an all-time high. We need to think about a triangle here more than a D leg, but could happen for sure. We can
Maybe
even,
test the triangle trend line
yeah,
for
the
a
D
quick
leg would
scalp.
work out because we come back to retest the triangle since we did not, when we broke this triangle here. Let me take this off, hold on. When we broke this triangle, we did not give no attention. So you're probably right. We are probably coming to retest
Yeah, and it's
on
kind of
this
going
D
up on
leg.
weak volume.
The 30 seconds is moving good. The volume is low, but yeah, in here when comparison this to this, we have a lot of volume here, but here we're not. But
Yeah, I don't know if we can even make it up to that trend line actually.
if I would do something, it would be something like that. A mini triangle. Yeah, I would not be surprised if we be sideways here for a little bit.
Yeah, especially at 12. And we're in a new area with no volume.
Exactly, because we're at 12. So 12 to 1. Alright, guys from YouTube, uh, if you guys want to come to see our Discord, you're more than welcome. And join us. We have a 14-day trial, free. You just sign up and you'll be free. Uh, and you'll be able to talk to us lifetime. You'll be able to see our chart lifetime, our entrance, our message, our screenshots, our analysis on the beginning of the day, and etc. Please like us, our channel, and if you'd like to put any comments and suggestion, I'm up for it. All right, see you all tomorrow.